Hello, welcome back. This is Dr. Narsimham from St. Joseph Degree College. Before you to discuss regarding global marketing environment. Yes, marketing environment refers to the controllable and uncontrollable forces that influence upon the marketing decision making of a firm. Global marketing environment is comprised of those components which shape policies, programs, and strategies of a global marketer. A global firm must resort to systematic study of global marketing environment to collect the inputs of marketing decision making. This global marketing environment is influenced by various factors. The different factors of global marketing environment are internal environmental factors and external environmental factors. What the various internal environmental factors we got in particular and what this is? Internal environment refers to the firm related factors. The firm related factors may be referred to as controllable variables because the firm has control over them and can change them as may be thought appropriate. The internal environment of the company includes all departments such as management, finance, purchases, etc. Apart from that, the major internal environmental elements are men, money, machinery, and materials. The next component of global marketing environment we got is external environment. What it is? This external environment refers to the factors outside the firm. These factors are uncontrollable, or we can say that these are beyond the control of a company. The external environment may be further divided into micro environment and macro environment. Micro environment is made from individuals and organizations that are close to the company and directly impact the customer experience. They can be defined as the actors in the firm's immediate environment which directly influence the firm's decisions and operations. It includes suppliers, various market intermediaries, service organizations, competitors, customers, and public. Suppliers. Marketing manager must watch them regularly to see their supply of availability of materials and other trends dealing with suppliers to ensure that product will be delivered to customers in time frame required in order to maintain a strong customer relationship. The next micro environmental factor we got is the marketing intermediaries. They refers to resellers, physical distribution channels, marketing service agencies, etc. These are the people who help the company for promoting, selling, and distribution of its products to final buyers. Then customers. Who a customer is? Customer is the person who buys the product. There are different types of customers markets including consumer markets, business markets, international markets, etc. These are made up of individuals who buy goods and services for their own personal use, for their household, or else for the purpose of business. Next one we got is the competitors. It is a factor in the micro environment and include companies with similar offerings for goods and services. To remain competitive, a company must consider who their biggest competitors are while considering its own size and position in the industry. The last micro environmental factor we got is the public. The final aspect of the micro environment is publics, which is any group that has an interest in or impact on the organization's ability to meet its goals. The next environmental factor that influence global marketing environment is macro environment. Macro itself indicates large. This macro environment is less controllable. It consists of larger encompassing influences from the broader global society. It includes culture, political issues, technology, natural environment, economic issues, demographic forces, and other elements. A number of factors constitute the global environment, which have been explained as under. First, if you come to socio-cultural environment, it consists of the influence of religious, family, educational, and social systems in the marketing system. Marketers who intend to market their products overseas may be very sensitive to foreign cultures. Marketers who ignore these differences risk failure in implementing marketing programs. Failure to consider cultural differences is one of the primary reasons for marketing failures overseas. It may be the language, color, value, business norms, religious beliefs, etc. The next macro environmental factor we got is the political environment. The political environment from one nation to another nation definitely varies. Most of the nations desire to become self reliant and to rise their status in the eyes of the rest of the world. This policy particularly makes them to dominate the other country and also to dominate the world business. The different political factors under this political environment we got are the political stability, monetary circumstances, trade blocks and agreements, or else tariff and non-tariff barriers. The next macro environmental factor we got is the legal environment. Legal environment are not just based on different laws and regulations concerning businesses. These are also defined by the factors like the rule of law, access to legal systems by foreigners, litigation systems, etc. Various rule of law, laws, and legal systems affect foreign business. Then the next environmental factor we got is the technological environment. Technological know-how impacts all spheres of an international marketer's operations, including production, marketing, etc. The international marketer must understand technological development and its impact on its total operations. The marketing intelligence system may help the international firm to know technological orientations of other enterprises and to update its own technologies to remain competitive. Then the next macro environmental factor we got is the economic environment. The international marketer must understand economic environmental variables of the global market for identifying the right marketing opportunity for an enterprise. The economic situation varies from one country to another country, or else from one national market to another national market. Those variations may be in the level of income, or else the living standards of the people, interpersonal distribution of income, occupational structure, or else the industrial structure, etc. The most significant marketing opportunity exists among the industrialized nations as they have high income levels, one of the necessary ingredient for the formation of markets. The last we got is the competitive environment. The international marketer should be well know about the competitive situation in the international market. That is, the type of competition it has got, who are all the players in the competition, what are the various strategies that are being followed by the different competitors, etc. Entering an international market is similar to doing so in the domestic market. A firm seeks to gain a differential advantage by investing resources in that market. In such a manner, the global marketing environment is influencing the organization totally. Well, in this manner, we come to know that the global marketing has its own impact on the working of the organization. Thank you.